Hi, my name is Aidan Joshua Galicia from BHM 22, and I am here right now with the Research Quiz Bee in terms of re-ed and with the hashtag Religious Academia. So later on, we're gonna show you what's gonna happen. Bye!
So, hello everyone. We are here at Tanghalang Julian Felipe. Today is April 24, 2025, and we failed to participate in the Research Quiz Bee because we were taught that it was moved in ULS, so we went there at 2 p.m. Pero nung nasa ULS po kami, ang hirap na mag-English, sir, sorry. Ayun po, hindi po pala doon, bali biglang dito din po pala ulit. Pero ayun po nakalagay oh. Ayun po, ngayon po, nag-cut off na po kasi sobrang daming tao, hindi na po kaya ng capacity, kaya hindi po kami nakapasok. Kaya nagpapirma na lang po kami, sir. Nagpapirma na lang po kami, so ayun po.